Have you ever heard your child say, "I don't know what to write"? You're not alone. I've been there with my own kids and with many students I've taught over the years. But here's the thing. Once they learn a simple structure and repeatable tools, writing becomes doable, even enjoyable. Hi, I'm Julie Kiris, homeschool mom, writer, and IEW registered instructor. I'd love to invite your student to join my full-year medieval history-based writing class for grades 4 through 8. We'll be using the Institute for Excellence in Writing's proven methods to build confidence and writing skills step by step. In this course, I'll teach your student how to organize their thoughts, structure a strong paragraph, and add style with grammar-based techniques so they can write with clarity and purpose. And we're going to do all of that through fascinating source texts from medieval history. Each lesson has built-in review so your student will grow in confidence because every time they sit down to write, they'll know exactly what to do. And you as the parent, you're not on your own. You'll have clear checklists, examples, and weekly recordings you can revisit anytime. I'll be walking right alongside you, so you never have to wonder, am I doing this right? If writing time has felt like a struggle in your homeschool, this course might be the fresh start you were hoping for. I'd be honored to work with your student this year. You can check out all the details below and feel free to reach out with questions.